Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel Achieving Alpha, and in this video we are going to talk about the new SEBI margin rule, or basically how you can trade options with a low margin after the new SEBI rule. So what does the new SEBI rule say? So according to the new SEBI rule, you will need 50% of the margin in intraday that you will need when you sell options in delivery. So for example, if you sell one lot of Nifty in delivery and if it costed you about 1.5 to 1.8 lakhs, then in intraday you will need to give 50% of that margin. I hope it's clear now. Now this upsets a lot of retailers because they don't have a lot of money. And now if you want to sell one lot of Nifty or Bank Nifty option and that too naked, you will need roughly about 1 lakh rupees of capital. And same goes for future. So even if you want to short or buy one lot of futures in intraday, you would roughly need around 90,000 to 1 lakh rupees. And now this upsets a lot of retail traders because it pulls them out of the game and they are not able to trade. But don't worry, I will show you how you can do that using hedging. Before that, let's talk about the markets today. So Nifty has formed an inside bar on a daily time frame. Now, a lot of you might think that Nifty has turned bullish, but you should not conclude as of now because now the high of this inside bar and the low of this inside bar will decide everything. If we close above the high of this particular inside bar, which is 14807, and if we close below the low of this inside bar, which is roughly 14638, so if we close below the low, then you can expect some further downside. And if we close above the high, then you can expect some more upside in days to come. The next target from here on would be 15,000. After that, it would be 15,100. Okay. So this candle still shows a lot of indecisiveness in the markets. This was just a pullback from yesterday's crash, and not crash, I should call it correction. Crash is something else, we'll talk about that. But yeah, so this was just a pullback from yesterday's correction, and Nifty has still closed below its 20-day exponential moving average. If I show you the FIA and DII figures, so you can see that they are also sort of neutral. So FII is bought for roughly about 125 crores and DII sell for 195 crores. Again, much cannot be inferred from this information, so we really need to wait for tomorrow and see how do things turn up. Talking about the global futures, so you can see that everything is really very much positive here, and you can see that the US futures are really well positive, the European futures are also very much positive. Talking about the European indices, again all of them are almost above 1% positive, so that's a lot of positive momentum, primarily because of the stimulus announced in the US yesterday. And if I talk about the trades which I took today, so I again basically traded in Bank Nifty futures today, made roughly around 7k. On what basis? So I basically shared this strategy. I am sure that you might be applying this particular strategy and making money out of this. So the strategy that I showed you was basically whenever the Bank Nifty closes on a 15-minute chart below the 50 exponential moving average, you short Bank Nifty below the low of this particular candle, and your target is 100 points and your stop loss is also 100 points. So you can see that we can easily achieve our target today. So I'm sure that you must have made money with this strategy. If you did, please let me know in the comment section. I'll be really happy for you. And please give likes to that video. I really shared that setup. This was one of the best setups that I have. And I have a lot more. If you want me to share more such setups, please encourage me by liking the videos and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, now let's talk about how you can reduce margin. Okay. So basically, I will talk about two things: option selling and futures. Both have a similar margin requirement if you talk about that. So let's start with futures. So let's say, okay, let's start from a clean slate. So let's say that you want to buy a future in intraday. So I'm basically using Zerodha to calculate the margins. Now, most brokers will offer you more or less the same margin. It might be a little bit upside or downside, maybe plus minus 1 2 thousand, but not a lot of drastic difference. So most brokers will offer you the same. So if I buy a naked future, you can see that the margin requirement now is 95,000. Now, how should I hedge this? Now, basically, when you're buying a future, you can basically hedge it by buying a put option. So let's say if we buy this 35,000 put option of the current expiry, so you can see that now in 27,000, you can buy one lot of Nifty Bank Nifty futures in intraday, which was basically earlier 95,000. So this way you can reduce your margin. I do agree that you need to sacrifice a bit on your profits because of this, because if Bank Nifty starts to go up, the futures will also give you profit, but this will also give you losses. But the losses in this will be really less compared to the profits in Bank Nifty futures. But again, this is one such way in which you can reduce the margin. If you want to basically reduce your losses and increase your profits, you can go further low. Or let's say you can buy 34,000 PE if you want that. So if you do that, you will require roughly about 33K, but then your loss here will be less and your profit here will be more. So the idea is to basically hedge your position, and that way you can avail the margin benefit. Again, let's take another very quick example. Let's say if you want to short Bank Nifty futures. So let me short it. And now to hedge this particular trade, let's just buy 36,000 call option of the current expiry. Again, you can see in roughly about 29,000, I can short one lot of Bank Nifty futures. Same applies for Nifty. You can very well check that out. If I talk about options, so let's say you want to short 15,000 option of Nifty for the current expiry. So let's say I want to short this in intraday. So the naked margin required would be around 76K. And if you hedge it now, let's say with 15,100 call option, so that will cost around only 16,000 or roughly 17,000 rupees. Again, similar thing goes for the put side. So let's say we want to short 14,700 put option, and to hedge this basically we can buy 14,600 put option. Again, you can see that the margin requirement is roughly around 19K. Now, a lot of you might argue that your profits will be decreased because you are buying this additional put option. But you should understand that this is one way. So your profits will be less. But again, the advantage is that basically you will require less margin. And the second advantage is that your position is hedged. So even if market crashes suddenly or if it falls suddenly, you will be saved from big losses and your losses will already be defined. So I highly encourage you to check out hedging and always hedge your trades, especially in these markets. You saw that market crashed 500 points yesterday, then again gained 300 points. This is crazy volatility in the markets as of now, and you should really understand that in these kind of scenarios, if you're selling options, hedging is the only way to protect your capital and save it. So I hope you like this particular video. I'm sure that most of you might be already aware about the benefits of hedging and the margin benefit that you get after hedging your positions. But I'm sure that a lot of you were disappointed after the new margin rule came in, and a lot of you thought that maybe option selling or futures trading is not for you anymore. But that's not the case. You will face in some issues. You will have to sacrifice on some of your profits, but you can still trade in this way if you hedge, and you can avail the margin benefit in this way. I hope you like this particular video and it gives you a little hope that you can still trade in futures and options even if you're a retail trader with less capital. And this also has the advantage that it will cap your loss and it will hedge your positions. I hope you like this particular video. If you do, please consider pressing the like button and subscribe to this channel for more such content. Thank you for watching and have a good day ahead. Bye bye.